All right, let's talk about nicotine. There's a surprising secret history to this molecule we think we know.
So, could something we see as harmful actually be therapeutic? A weird paradox during COVID made scientists wonder.
Some early data was odd. Smokers seemed to get sick less often but got sicker if infected.
And you know what? This link between tobacco and medicine isn't new at all. We gotta go way back.
Believe it or not, for ages, tobacco was seen as a powerhouse medicine, a panacea herb even.
So how does this work? It all starts at the cellular level with these things called nicotinic receptors.
Now, you probably think of these in the brain, right, for addiction, but they're everywhere, even on immune cells.
Yeah, I mean, all over the place, on macrophages, T cells, a whole host of our immune responders.
And this network creates something amazing, a pathway our body uses to literally control inflammation.
Think of it like an inflammation dimmer switch. When nicotine binds to it, the inflammation signal gets turned down.
And one specific type, the alpha-7 receptor, is the absolute master switch for this calming effect.
Okay, but here's where it gets wild. The COVID spike protein has a piece that looks like snake venom.
And this similarity lets the virus hijack that same anti-inflammatory system we just talked about.
It messes things up in two ways. It changes how the receptor works, and even lowers how many there are.
Basically, the virus stops the cell from even building and displaying its own inflammation dimmer switches.
And the effect is huge. We're talking a 37% drop in these critical receptors on the cell surface.
And it's not just the alpha-7. The virus goes after a bunch of different nicotinic receptors all over.
Now, it's super important to say this is not an argument for smoking. That is absolutely not the case.
The real goal here is to use this knowledge to create new therapies without nicotine's obvious downsides.
So it makes you wonder, right? Can we find medicine in molecules we've been taught to fear?